Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Google account and going straight to Security. This is where device activity lives. Once signed in, choose the Security tab and scroll to your Devices or Manage Devices. Make sure you're checking the correct account if you manage multiple emails. If you prefer mobile, open the Google app, tap your profile photo, and choose Manage your Google account, then Security. This gets you to the list of devices currently signed into your account, so you can act immediately. Once you see the device list, tap any item to reveal details like approximate location, last active time, device model, and browser or app used. This helps you spot unfamiliar entries. Look for devices you don't recognize or locations that don't match. If a device looks suspicious, use the Sign Out option immediately. That revokes access without deleting local data. Make sure to follow up by changing your password and reviewing two-step verification settings, because signing out alone may not stop. To finish, remove or sign out any unknown devices, then change your password to prevent reaccess. Once done, enable two-step verification so a second factor protects future sign-ins. Make sure to review third-party app access and revoke any suspicious permissions, and consider signing out from all devices if you suspect a breach. Troubleshooting tip: if a device won't sign out, change your password and revoke account access tokens. That forces a full reauthentication and blocks lingering sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.